Hey guys, so we've been designing t-shirts for a long time now, but due to complications with things like trademarks and uploading, we're actually going to swap over to something called KDP, which is kind of Kindle and low content books like this one here. So basically, the designing is going to be exactly the same as how it is currently, but it is just for now book covers. So we'll send over some inspiration, and then if you could create something much kind of better than what you see here, that would be absolutely great. Also, we're now using something called Airtable, which is a much more improved version of Google Sheets that we've been using before. So this here, we're now moving over to Airtable. And then this is very similar to Google Sheets, but it's a lot more user friendly. So you'll have your own view here. So click on your name. This will be like your inspiration sheets that we have here, but it's now up like this. So click on your name, and then to see the inspiration, you can click here on the image URL. So this is it here, or you can click on the actual product page like this here if you need to. Then when the design is finished, you don't anymore. You don't have to create like a Google folder or anything like that. You simply have to come to the PNG column here and drop your artwork into the PNG column like that. And that is the artwork now uploaded. That's much easier for you. And then if you could change the status to designs complete, ready for review, so like that. And then that is all that needs to be done now. So much more simpler than the kind of Google Sheet setup. And if you have any questions about this, could you please let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.